Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech ANA screening for IgG ELISA kit. So this is the front view of the box, as you can see here, and to take the side view, all the details are here. So you can see the ANA screening ELISA. The reference number is AN033G. You can find the manufacturing date and the expiry date. You can find the lot number here. It's a 96 test pack, and as you can see, it is temperature controlled between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and it is manufactured in California by Calbiotech. You can see the manufacturing address here. It is temperature controlled, you can see here, and this pack is only for research use, not for diagnostic procedures. And you can see here the pack contains coated well plates, controls, standard sets, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, and certification of analysis for all compound details. So this is the backside view. You can see it is made in US, and you can find the address here. It's the temperature controlled one. So okay, let me open this for you. As you can see on the top, so there is the pack insert and the IFT voucher for it. Now this is the Calbiotech ANA screening ELISA. You can find the details here. It contains the entire procedure and the necessary details for it. So let me open this for you. And you can find it here now. All the manufacturing address, the catalog number, and every other things. Okay, next is the certification of analysis. So let me just keep this at one corner. And next is the certification of analysis. So it contains the ANA screening for immunoglobulin G, the lot number, the catalog number, and the expiry date, and all the expiry dates and the part number for all the components inside the ELISA kit. You can find it here. Okay, so let me keep this here. And we have the microwell coated for nuclear antigen. This is the one which has to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Since I am in the AC room, it does not read for me to do such things right now. So you can find the manufacturing date for it and the expiry date for it, the catalog number, and Calbiotech. Let me keep it here. And at last is the reagents for all these things. So first let me see what is this. So you can see this is the positive control for it. You can find the reference number and the lot number for the expiry date for it. This is ANA IgG positive control. So let me keep this back. And then we have the ANA IgG calibrator. You can also find the reference, lot number, the expiry for it. This is also temperature control. And this is the ANA IgG negative control for it. Okay, and at here we have the ANA enzyme conjugate. It's the enzyme conjugate for it. It's 12 ml. And you can find this is the TMB substrate for the ELISA kit. This is also 12 ml. And this is the stop solution. It's also 12 ml. This is the IgG sample diluent. So this is the expiry date, the reference number, and the lot number. This is 22 ml and needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. And this is the VOS concentrate of 20 times. Okay, you can find the reference number and the volume 25 ml here, the expiry and lot number. Okay guys, to sum up, okay, this is the ANA screening IgG ELISA kit of Calbiotech. So this contains IFU brochure, a pack insert, how to use the ELISA kit, and then you have all these reagents, all these negative positive controls, the controller, the stop solution, and all the other things here. And then you have the certificate of analysis containing all the expiry dates of different parts. And then you have the micro-well coated with nuclear antigen, the 96 well plate here, and this is the box which was brought here. So this is the whole setup. Thank you.